Hello children. Today let's learn what compound adjectives are and what compound words are. On to the compound adjectives. A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives are joined together to modify the same noun. And generally these compound adjectives are hyphenated. Hyphenated in the sense a hyphen is put in between the two words that is in the compound adjective. He is a well-mannered person. Here you see the word well-mannered with a hyphen in the middle. This is the compound adjective. And when you divide them and you make the sentence, they do not make the sense which they are supposed to do. That is, if you say he is a well person, that's wrong. He is a mannered person, that's again is wrong. So, he is a well-mannered person is the right sentence. So, these two words when they are in a combination, then only they make the right sense. Such words are called compound adjectives. On to some more examples. It was a long-lasting war between the good and the evil. Here the compound adjective is long-lasting. And the noun it is describing is war. On to the next example. He is a well-known actor. Here the compound adjective is well-known. And the noun it is describing is actor. On to the next example. That was a 10-page report. So if you split them as that was a 10 report, that's not right. And that was a page report, that's not right either. So if you say it, that was a 10-page report, then only it makes sense. So when they are together, only they convey the sense. So these are compound adjectives. Two more examples for you. That is an old-fashioned table. Here the compound adjective is the word old-fashioned and the noun it is describing is table. The headmaster planned for a 6-day trip. Here the compound adjective is 6-day and the noun that it is describing is the trip. On to the next topic, compound words. What are these compound words? Yes, a compound word is a union of two or more words to convey a specific idea or special meaning that is not conveyed aptly by separate words. So this is a combination of two words. They may be either a noun and a noun, noun and a verb and an adverb. So that way the combination may vary. Whereas in compound adjective, you see they both are together and generally they are adjectives. A compound word may be hyphenated, written open or written solid. These are the types of compound words. So they can be written using a hyphen or without a hyphen, that is wildlife. You can see there is no hyphen in the middle. It is called open type. And the next one is closed type. There is no space or gap between the two words. Here the two words are fore and head. Fore means front. Head, forehead means the front part of the head is called forehead. On to some more examples. I like playing on the merry-go-round. Here merry-go-round is the compound word. It is a hyphenated compound word. High school children are alert and active. Can you find the compound word here? Yes, high school is the compound word. Here it's an open compound word. My grandmother is very close to me. Can you guess the compound word here? Yes, the compound word here is grandmother. It is a closed type wherein there is no space between grand and mother. The school bus has left already. Yeah, the compound word here is school bus. The school works half a day today. The compound word here is half a day, hyphenated compound word. Yes, children, generally with the extra usage, the more the usage, the hyphenated words come to open and then they go to the closed one. The more they are used, they become the closed compound word. So gradually as time passes, the language also keeps evolving. So we need to get updated with the changes of the words wherein the hyphenated changes to the open, and when the usage is more, it gets changed to the closed type of compound words. Hope you all understood what compound adjectives are and what compound words are. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. And do comment in the comment box below. And if you click the like button, I'll be very happy for that.